Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hamilton County in central Texas, northwestern Corio County in central Texas, northeastern Lampasas County in central Texas, northeastern Mills County in central Texas, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northeast of Gold Point, or 20 miles southwest of Hamilton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near event around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Shive, Moline, Izarro, Permela, Aylman, Indian Gap, Pearl, Center City, South Permela, and Beat House. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.